Peace Squad, welcome back to this full stack course, building a digital marketing directory website, aka a Thumbtack clone. All right, so in our previous video, we went over the design for our blog post. So the design of a nice blog post. In this video, we're gonna go over one other blog post. Now this isn't for design, this is more so for SEO ranking, okay? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so in this video, we're going to go over some of the important topics that this blog post covers, and to make sure that we include this in our second blog post, because we said we're going to include two. So digital marketing agencies in Mobile, Alabama, that might be Houston for us. So they have some blipping about that. They also have some type of styling for their keywords, so small local businesses and startups. Remember, our keywords that we're trying to rank for right now is actually digital marketing agency for small business near me. All right, so they definitely have those highlighted. Invest in digital marketing. Then they have basically a guide, how do you choose the right one. They have some blipping about that. What makes a good digital marketing agency right here. So they have some blipping about that. Right here, this is probably some sort of ad. So grow your business online, and then to see the services right here, we have a nice little image right here. Like I said, the styling isn't super duper great. It's more so about information. This is probably very keyword rich. All right. What is a digital marketing agency and what services do they provide? So there's some other topics we need to make sure that we cover in one of our blog posts. It's definitely going to bring in some traffic. A digital marketing agency is okay. So they're giving you the answer to what makes a good digital marketing agency. Like I said, it's probably definitely optimized for a lot of keywords, and the styling isn't super duper great, but I'm telling you, it's probably very information rich. All right. We have pictures here. This is also what I like. So this is another quote unquote ad. So this would be download our freebie. This would be the start point to our sales funnel. So definitely want to have a section right here on one of our other blog posts that has just whatever it is that our freebie is. So whether it's a course, or whether it's an ebook, but this is a nice little styling right here that you add in right there. The benefits of working with a digital marketing agency in Mobile, Alabama, again, very keyword rich. And it's in one of the either it's probably an H3. So the search engines typically do look at H1, H2, H3s, and you definitely want to have your keywords in those. So they've done that. Also like this as well. So this matters because working with a local digital marketing agency increases your chances of success. That's the graphic right there. Again, this is probably very keyword rich for the words they're trying to rank for. So this is just giving you the benefits. So why should you work with a digital marketing agency before you spend any money? So boom, covering that topic. Their main objectives is to sell their own. Okay, so again, they're just telling you why you should work with one, what you need to have prepared. Also, like I said, good information. This is really just covering top to bottom, why you should, the benefits of working with a digital marketing agency, why you should, the things you need to have prepared, what you should look for in one. So that's why I was this is really good for the information that we need to have covered in our post. But we might, like I said, change up the styling a little bit. What are the typical digital marketing agency services? So also, boom, really good for keyword research. So search engine optimization, SEO, perfect. Definitely want to make sure we have that in ours. I don't understand how this is related. Maybe it is, and I just don't understand it. Cool. It's another thing that Lemon Squeeze Marketing actually does, which is search engine marketing, or SIM. All right, so they're definitely getting those keywords there. So we just have a title that's in there, probably we're gonna call this. I know there's some type of class and styling on this. It's probably their primary or whatever. And it's probably an H2 or H3. Cool. They have this image over there. They have their other one, content creation. Again, these are words that's related probably to the keywords they're trying to rank for. Similar styling, got the image there. So this is all the different services. I really like how that's done. Taking the first step, working with the digital marketing company and Mobile. Again, got that keyword there, got a picture. This is some type of styling right here. So this is probably going into a different div right now. All right, and then we have another kind of ad type situation. It's your time to shine. So me almighty. All right, cool. So this is another call to action. So we definitely want to have a little section here. You can definitely style something. And then we just have our footer. Footer is super simple. So you have your little copyright. And then you have your little social icons here. All right, guys. So this was the last page that we needed to go over for the design. So to recap, we have gone over the design for our list directory, aka our list view, our detail view, our landing view, our main blog post, and then a secondary blog that we've done. in our next series, what we're going to actually start doing is we're going to create wireframes of these pages. That's going to help us logically think through, once it's time for us to develop this, like how do we actually go about grouping these? How do we actually go about developing these? So that's the reason why I always advise my developers, before you ever touch a piece of code, please go wireframe first. You can hand draw it. We're going to do it in Canva. So in our next series, we're going to go page by page, starting with the directory. We're just going to go in Canva and we're actually going to like wireframe these out. And we're also going to start labeling these so that we can get ready and start thinking about, once we actually start coding, like how we need to code this page up. All right. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.